Hello, my name is Kristen. I'm the coordinator for the UVU Math Lab, and I'm going to guide you through how to schedule an appointment to meet face-to-face with a tutor in the lab for this fall 2020 semester. You will need to log into our website, uvu.upswing.io. This is our platform for online tutoring, but we are also using it to schedule face-to-face appointments. Go ahead and click on Login Now. And it will take you to this home screen if you have already logged into UVU through myuvu.edu or another platform on UVU. Now, if I need to schedule an appointment with a tutor, I'm going to click on this tutoring icon over here on the left-hand side. Now, I can search for the subject that I would need some help with. So as I start typing in, I'm going to search for Math 1050, but it autofills this drop-down menu that I can pick from a lot of different subjects that the tutors are able to help me with. All right, so I'm searching for Math 1050 and I found it right here. And then this brings up every tutor that can help me with that class. But I need to find a specific day and time, and I also need to make sure that I'm scheduling my appointment in person and not online. So over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click on this toggle. And then I can filter by days, times, and also the type of appointment. So right now, this has for today, anytime, half an hour, and online. So first of all, if I'm wanting a face-to-face appointment, I need to change this to in-person. And then I would need to have a tutor on Thursday. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that day. And then this brings me all the tutors that are available to help with this subject on Thursday face-to-face. I can also filter this down further if I would like to the Math Lab. And also I can change this to West Math Lab LA 201. For this semester, simply putting Math Lab is sufficient as all face-to-face tutoring will take place in LA 201. Now these are all the tutors that are available to help me on Thursday with this course. Now, let's say I want to help at a specific time. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, well, let's see, the Math Lab's only open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So 2:30 a.m. is probably not going to work. Let's go ahead and choose 1 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, now these are, there we go. Colin, it looks like, is the only one available to help me at 1 o'clock for 30 minutes that day. So I'm going to go ahead and click on schedule so that I can schedule Colin for that appointment. Now this window has popped up. It reminds me that I am scheduling an in-person appointment with Colin on August 27th. And then I had tried to find an appointment over here again at 1 o'clock, but this brings up whenever Colin is available to help me. Now there are some options here to do at the quarter hour, 12:30, 12:45. However, for face-to-face appointments, they all must be scheduled either on the hour, so at 12, or at the half hour, so 12:30, or 1 and 1:30, and so on. I did want an appointment at 1. And all face-to-face appointments need to be scheduled for 30 minutes. Anything less than that or more than that will not be approved, and I will receive an email notification that something is incorrect and needs to be changed. I can also contact the front desk and they can help me through that issue that I have. I'm going to go ahead and click schedule. And then I have this pop-up notification down here that my session has been requested but not yet approved. All right, now that I have requested that appointment, I can check on the status of my appointment request by going on the left-hand side and clicking again on that tutoring icon, which is where we started our search for someone to help us with 1050. Now I have in my upcoming sessions this appointment with Colin, August 27th at 1 p.m. for 30 minutes in the Math Lab. However, I do have that I'm waiting for Colin to accept. When that appointment does get accepted, I will get a notification up here in this coaching notifications box. If I am unable to make the appointment, I should click on cancel so that I can free up that time for another student. Now, all the notifications will be sent to your student UVU email address. However, you can also get text message reminders by clicking on this blue button and setting that up with your phone number. That way you can get text messages sent directly to your phone as well as your student email address. All right, so I've logged back in again and I see I do have a tutoring notification over here. So then go ahead and click on that and see that Colin has accepted my appointment. Everything was good and it's approved. All I need to do now is show up to the math lab at 1 o'clock on Thursday, the 27th, and I can have my 30 minutes with Colin. Now, just a quick note, remember the 30-minute appointment is actually only 25 minutes because we need the last 5 minutes to clean and sanitize the area for the next student. And also, masks are required to enter into the math lab. If you are unable to wear a mask, we do ask that you do online tutoring instead. We're so excited to help you guys this semester, and we know that together we can start strong and finish stronger. Go Wolverines!